welcome back to our live video show. This time we would like to recommend you our gum direct series. On this show, we mainly introduce 4 styles of our gum direct. The first one is this expandable gum direct. Second is big size combined gum direct, and 2 classic most popular gum direct. These 4 are our latest hot sale gum direct in our factory. Their poster diameter is 19mm. Surface finish are powder coating finish, so their price is high cost effective. Besides, by our sales experience, powder coating finish is more proper for gum direct products. Not only the price is cheaper, but also it has 3 times anti-rust capability than chrome-plated finish. The hot sale colors of powder coating is black, carbon gray, and coffee brown. Now, first we would like to show our expandable gum direct. Amazon Basic has same models as these 2 items. One is powder coating in black, another is chrome plated. So these 2 items is already selling well on e-commerce market because it has many special product features. So now I will show their product features in step by step. The first one, these 2 clothes hanger, the size can be expandable. The size can be expandable from 71.5 to 140, and the total shelf length will be expanded from 147 to 215 centimeters. Each hanger loading weight is 20 kilo. Even the expandable clothes hanger bar is expandable to the biggest size. The loading weight of the hanger is still 20. You see that the hanger bar is straight, no bend effects, so it's strong enough to load 20 kilo. And each shelf loading weight is 40 kilo. And every set of this item, we would have 8 pieces PP mat included. And this part with hooks is different with Amazon Basic product. Our product has 2 hanger hooks included. Amazon don't have this. This item number is CJB1394. If you like this item, please tell us this item number. And the size of this shelf is 35 by 35. The total size for this item is 215 by 35, and the height, we have 2 height, 1.80 and 2 meter. Now the hook is usually added the handbag. And for the top shelf, we suggest to put some quilts on it. And for additional parts, you also can add this revolving rails onto the shelf to increase its storage function. And The chrome one is, for this item, powder coating finish is more popular than chrome finish. Both chrome and the powder coating are already selling in the market, but powder coating is selling better than chrome. So this one is chrome plated, and this one, the height is 1.80, and the PP mat is also included. And besides that, each set of this gum rack, we would offer two pieces anti-tipping hardware parts included. And the packing size for this one is 75 by 36, and the height is 20. This size is smaller than its product size. The package size is smaller a lot than its product size. This is the packing size for this expandable gum rack. So that's why it's very suitable for e-commerce business use. So if you like this item, please contact our sales for the better price. The second item, okay. The second item, we recommend our traditional, our classic hot cell gum rack, CJB1167. This one has 3 hangers, 2 75 centimeter hangers, and 1 piece 45 centimeter hangers. And each shelf can load 40 kilo. Each shelf, 40 kilo. And the shelf space is adjustable. And the shelf is much sturdy than the simple metal gum rack. This is 40 kilo. You can add more. And for this one, we have if you like fabric cover, we also offer fabric cover, but the price is quoted separately. For the fabric cover, we have non-woven material, jazz cloth material, Oxford material. And the color of this gum rack now is coffee brown. We can do black, carbon gray, coffee brown, and silver color, if you like. Okay, next item is the big one. It's a big combined gum rack. The item number is CJB1428. This item now is selling very well on Amazon.com. It has 4 hangers. 3 hanger is 75 centimeter, and 1 piece 45 centimeter hanger. And this size is the size is 188 centimeter length and 45 centimeter width. The height is 2 meters. This size is so big, but the packing is not as big as not so big. So that's why it's suitable for e-commerce business. This is the packing size. You see that the packing size is just the shelf size. Just the shelf size. Besides that, we have different use way. Let me show you that. This hanger, if you this hanger can be changed to the assembly place. You can move this hanger to this place, like here, and adjust the shelf down. Adjust the shelf down. Then long clothes can be put it here. And each shelf loading weight is 50 kilo. Okay. Each shelf load 50 kilo. And each hanger can load 20 kilo. Now the shelf is adjusted down. Then we can load the size is still, yeah, you can we still can adjust the shelf down to load this clothes. Now the shelf is now this hanger can load long clothes. It's better than this. And for this hanger, we can load it. We can move its assembly place at the top shelf. So the top shelf can assemble 2 hangers like this way at the shelf frame. So you see that the clothes can load it this way. And even for the long clothes can be hangered. So it's multifunctional, and you can do it by yourself to change the use way of this hanger rack. And the structure is very sturdy. It's very sturdy. Besides that, we have other accessories to suggest you to add it. This part is side hook. This is a revolving hook. So it's one corner. This is 2 corners. This one, if you can add it here, like this way, you can add it here, and you can add it here to put to. This size is not suitable. It's just to show how to use these parts. You can use this here to hang handbag and shoulder bags on the hook. And this is the revolving hanger bar. You can add it, and the revolving hangers can be 360 revolvings. So if you like this item, please tell us this item number and order quantity. Then our sales will quote our best price for you. And the first, we would like to introduce our another classic wholesale garment rack is item CJB 1133. This item is the very common product, but very popular in the market. The demanding quantity is much big. This size is 90 by 45, 1 hanger, 3 shelf. The structure is very sturdy. Poster diameter is 19. Each shelf loads 40 kilo. And if you like wheels, we can add the wheels, add the nylon wheels and the 2-inch PP wheels at the bottom. Now the sample is no wheels. And for this item, you can we can have different way, different assembly way. Move this top shelf, this second shelf to here. Please support me. Move this shelf to here. Then change the hanger assembly place to the top shelf. Adjust the plastic clips to the bottom place and slide the shelf onto the clips. And please make sure the plastic clips at the same position. That's very important. The assembly is no need tools, just handmade assembly. Now you can use by this way. The structure is sturdy, and each hanger load 20 kilo. So please help me to make loading test 20 kilo to put it on this hanger. Each bag of rice, each rice bag 5 kilo. So 4 bags is 20 kilo. Now you see that the loading weight 20 kilo is no problem for this rack. And for this item, if you like, most of our clients don't need fabric cover, but if you like fabric cover, our factory offer Oxford cover and jazz cloth cover. And we also can produce non-woven cover for you. So if you want cover, please tell our clients. If you don't tell us, we would quote the price without cover. And if you like wheels or other accessories, I just introduced that hanger bar, the revolving hanger bar and the side hook hanger bar. Please tell our sales. And these are 4 items, 4 wholesale garment racks. If you like it, please tell us which one or which items would you want our price.